Ciao a tutti e benvenuti a Learn Italian with Amina. Today's topic is a video request from Jung. I don't know if I pronounce your name very well. From Australia, ciao Jung. And I hope this video will be useful not only to you but everyone else out there by watching this video. So let's start. The double R is called in Italian Doppia Erre, as you can see in the slide. Doppia Erre is, I understand, something really difficult for beginners because in many languages this sound is kind of missing. But today, together, we are going to learn how to articulate double R or Doppia Erre in the easiest way possible. Let's begin. Well, guys, the first thing that you must ask to yourself is how does it work? Because we need to know and understand how to articulate the sound. That's one of the biggest challenges for Italian students by finding the right place to pronounce this R, which is on the palate behind the teeth. So that's where the tip of your tongue must be placed, okay? The tip of your tongue, so that when you pronounce it, you will keep this vibration. You have to vibrate the tip of your tongue in this area behind the teeth for a little while. Just keep it, maintain it, and you will feel like this little tickle on this area behind the teeth. You will feel a vibration, okay? And put some stress on it. Make it a strong R. 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 So, try please to pronounce those two words that I wrote for you on the slide. The word in Italian is la guerra, and the chariot is il carro, carro. Do you see the difference with other words in Italian, like the word carrot, for example, which in Italian is la carota? So do you see that this R in carota is definitely sweeter than this guerra? So just try to feel, I don't know, like a gladiator in your full powers, and I don't know, or an angry person that just wants to burst. So just repeat it with the same amount of strength, energy, the double R. Guerra, carro. Repeat, please, because we are all learning in here, so don't worry if you sound funny at first. You will get used to it. Here are some examples for you to try on your own to practice. Allora, amici, so friends, please try. Il burro. Repeat after me, please. Aloud. Of course, if you're outside, not so loud. But if you're in your room and you don't have distractions, please say it aloud. Il burro. And you have the translation on your right side. Il ferro. Il ferro. Il sorriso. Il sorriso. La birra. La birra. La serra. La serra. Repeat as many times as possible so that becomes a habit for you. So guys, I will encourage you to send even your videos and comment your videos down below, because I am so curious to see how you're progressing in Italian. I would really appreciate it. It would be funny and nice to check how you pronounce this double R. And I know that at first it's really hard because it's not your sound. But comment down below even if you aren't still quite getting the sound. I would love to try to help you further. And in the meantime, I wish you all a good day and or good night wherever you are in the world, and see you in the next video. And PS, do not forget to subscribe and like this video. Ciao, ciao, guys.